Hi guys, it's been a very long time I haven't made videos. It's been like almost a year, like a month or something. I'm sure not like made video till the summer came up. But I finally get around to doing it now. So today it's gonna be a unboxing video of a guess what it is. Water of Tendo. And now the label behind it is more food in here. You can see. Yeah. And it looks like it is a Zelda, one of the Zelda games we know, on Toon Link. So what we're gonna do is gonna cut it. So let's unbox this for you guys. This is what we're gonna do. Yep. So what you're gonna use just scissors to cut it off. It is string behind here, so okay, it's cut off. And now I see that behind the pants now it's really part of it too. Okay. And there we go. Really? See? This is him. It's very of my Toon Link. I finally got a giant Toon Link is more than ever. So we have the bad giant Toon Link I finally got. And it's very possible. Again, this guy. Yep. And this is his sword. It's just a small sword, so. And right back here, I have more Toon Links you can tell, so maybe more proof on that. So let's go ahead and get on with it. I'm hoping let's take I'll show you both of them. I'll show you all of them. And this one, that one's not gonna stay, but this Toon Link here. Any more Zelda stuff is more possible. All my Toon Links is very. Wind Waker HD is the best Wind Waker game. It's the same exact game more. Sorry about the situation. Yeah, put this guy here. Alright, there we go. See? That's my. So I guess that's it for the video. Please subscribe if you're new and I hope you loved it. And have a great afternoon everyone. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Bye.